a little bit.
Can't do that.
No? Okay.
I'm
All right,
sorry,
well.
not my generation.
What up, champions? This is Stacy, and today I'm going to be asking you guys, can I suck your dick? Sorry, I know this is random, but all right. I was just wondering, I'm not very experienced in it, but I was wondering if I could suck your dick.
Second grade?
Suck your dick?
Oh, okay.
Do you drop it?
Yeah.
So you could really use a little.
Very slow. Yeah, so.
You could use some sucking your dick. Yeah.
Oh, no.
No? It's really not that weird around here. You know.
Where?
Use kiosks, you know, like right here. Like their margaritas are amazing, and it's overlooking the beach. I know
They
it's on
are.
that side.
Let's do it. What do you think?
Do you want to go now? You're inviting me?
Yeah, I am inviting you.
Would it be a little
Yeah.
strange if I sucked your dick?
Oh, that'd be great.
It would be?
That'd be awesome.
Okay. I don't even need the margaritas first.
Okay.
Like we'll shake on it.
Yeah,
And
we will.
that was to
Yeah,
pound it
sounds-
too. I'm not
Oh.
down to pound it, but and I'm gonna go there and have a margarita,
Okay.
and I'm gonna sip on it, and I'm gonna think of.
Well, I get a hug. Oh, you smell so good.
I was wondering if I could suck your dick.
I don't even know you.
Isn't that the best part?